Imagine you're working in Excel, analyzing sales data, and suddenly you can use a programming language called Python directly in your spreadsheet to forecast next quarter's revenue. Or you're collaborating in Word and you get suggested edits to speed up your proposal writing. Wave 2 of the AI assistant Copilot can do this and more. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps. It can help you manage your inbox in Outlook, design eye-catching presentations in PowerPoint, or even take meeting notes in Teams. And setting it up is easy. Log into your Microsoft 365 account, navigate to admin settings, and enable Copilot for your team. Microsoft even provides guided walkthroughs to make it simple. The best part? There are features like Copilot Pages, a shared workspace for collaboration, and BizChat, an AI-powered organizational knowledge base. They help your team spend less time searching for information and more time on what matters. Wave 2 is about working smarter, not harder. We can integrate Copilot into your business. Get in touch.